If you were recently served with a domestic violence restraining order and you have a hearing coming up, one of the questions you may be asking yourself is, should I represent myself? In this video, I'm going to be going through 3 questions to ask yourself when you're deciding, should I represent myself or not? My name is Veronica. I am a criminal defense and restraining order attorney here in California, and I help people put their cases behind them so that they can enjoy their lives and their freedom. Now, I have recently created a class that comprehensively teaches you from A to Z in a series of 6 steps how to win your restraining order hearing. You can actually get your free class down below. But representing yourself is not for everyone. So let's go through those 3 questions now and find out if it would be a good idea for you to at least consider representing yourself. The first question that you need to ask yourself is, can you keep a cool head? Now, you may want to just answer yes really quickly, but take a second to think about it. If you have never been in a courtroom before in an adversarial situation, I want you to just take a second and imagine this. Okay, you show up a few weeks from now at your court day. You have not seen your ex in, at least 3 weeks at that point, maybe longer. You were served with this restraining order that, in my experience, includes at least some lies. So you show up at the courtroom, you see your ex there, maybe her mom, maybe her sister who never liked you, her best friend, maybe even her dad who you thought was always a good guy and he was cool. They're all glaring at you there. Maybe you showed up alone. You don't really have any witnesses to any of this stuff. So you just show up by yourself. There are a lot of people in the hallway. Maybe it's getting hot from all the hot air in there. There's a bailiff who shouts instructions at people. Maybe you get yelled at because you have your phone out when you're not supposed to. Court staff is not polite. And eventually, the judge is going to call the case, and you are going to have to, after waiting there maybe hours, you are going to have to listen to your ex quietly without interrupting, without saying anything, tell the judge all these horrible things about you, many of which are not true. And then it's going to be your chance to tell your story. In that situation, are you going to be able to not interrupt her when she's telling her story? Are you going to be able to tell the judge calmly, politely, professionally your side of it? If you're still with me, if you answered yes, then let's move on to question 2. 2 is, do you have 4 to 6 hours to spend preparing for this? Are you going to be able to spend that time going through her restraining order, what she said about you, preparing your evidence, making sure that you know what to say in front of the judge? Some people just simply don't have that time between work, kids, whatever. They just simply don't have the time. Don't plan to get it done in 30 minutes. And preparation is key with these restraining orders. Number 3 is, can you follow instructions closely and apply fill-in-the-blank templates? So in my course, I give you exactly what to say, except for the specific details of your case, right? So there will be blanks that you have to fill in. Do you feel like you are someone who can pay attention and do that or not? If you think you can do that, then I do encourage you to go ahead and at least take that free class and see if you think that this is something that would help you. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, ring the bell. I have posted quite a few videos recently regarding restraining orders, and I will be posting even more in the coming weeks.